Hit that subscribe button to never miss my plant-based recipes and videos.
Now, if you go on the internet, you're gonna find a million different recipes for a plant-based burger. And the question is, which one do I want? It's hard to tell because what you want is the one that's catered to the tastes that you prefer, which is why I have a build your own burger recipe for you. So I have already pre-cooked some onions, garlic, and about 2 cups of vegetables. Next, you need a bean. I'm gonna go with a black bean right now. One more thing I'm gonna add with my vegetables is some spinach. And then you want a liquid of some kind. 3 tablespoons is the right amount. I have about 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. And then you're gonna want some kind of a spice mixture. I'm gonna use 4 teaspoons of spice here. Mine is a combination of oregano, chili powder, onion powder, cumin, and just a little bit of cayenne pepper. And then we're gonna mix this all up. You might need to stop it and scrape down a few times to keep it from sticking to the sides. This is really goopy, so now what you need to add is a binder of some kind. You could use flour, you could use cornmeal, you could use rice. This is about a cup of oats. And then we're gonna mix that all around as well. When it's about halfway mixed in, then we're gonna add our last ingredient, which I call a little textured ingredient. I'm using green olives. You could use dried herbs here. You could use sun-dried tomatoes. You could use nuts. Anything to give it a little bit of extra flavor and some kind of a texture. So then we're just gonna keep on pureeing this until it's all mixed together. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure this out onto silicone sheets. I used 1/3 of a cup measure, and that seems to be the right amount. We're gonna bake these for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we are gonna flip them and cook them for another 15 minutes. So top it however you want based on the ingredients you've already put into it. I just put on some classic burger condiments here, but you can do it however you want. It's got such a really great flavor profile. It's got a nice little crunch to it. It tastes fresh and it's got a little bit of a kick. I love this. Have some fun with this. Try different combinations. Go crazy. You can literally be eating a different burger every single time. Yeah.
Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.